Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.53. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 25.74% to negative 14.52%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 9.12%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 1.12% to 23.33% over the next year. In current terms, this would set the future price between $544.50 and $679.13. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.732% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. Rising from $546.64 to $550.64. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.28%, with a day low of $543.70 and a day high of $550.64. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.97% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 60 million shares being traded, amounting to approximately $33.07 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price stands 10.21% or $62.59 below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has recently shown signs of recovery, climbing nearly 10% following President Trump's decision to pause most tariffs. This move, intended to ease trade tensions, boosted market sentiment in the short term. However, analysts are warning of potential hurdles ahead. The S&P 500 and key tech stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, are currently facing resistance levels, indicating the possibility of a market pullback before any prolonged gains can be realized. Concerns about a mild recession loom, with projections suggesting the S&P 500 could fall to the 3,700 level. This potential downturn is fueled by increasing economic anxieties, such as rising credit default swap premiums and an inverted yield curve, which hint at deeper economic issues ahead. Additionally, consumer demand has shown signs of weakness, as evidenced by Procter & Gamble's recent forecast cuts. In the long term, high stock valuations, coupled with structural economic challenges, are raising flags for investors. While the optimism from tariff reductions may provide temporary relief, it risks undermining Trump's negotiating position, which could lead to failed trade talks with China. Hence, while the current market dynamics may offer short-term trading opportunities, caution is advised as macroeconomic indicators suggest a bumpy road ahead for SPY and the broader market. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. The SPY ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at $532.26 and $547.67. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the ETF has risen by 10.91%. Further increases are expected until a new peak pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots provided a buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger also signaled a buy 13 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. A relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average emitted a sell signal 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $548.62, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $6.94 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.28%. For the past week, the ETF has recorded a daily average volatility of 1.65%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $555.92. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $548.62. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $531.51, which represents a decline of 3.47%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Notably, there was a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? While the ETF is currently experiencing a downward trend, several short-term signals suggest a potential buying opportunity at this level. We believe there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate stance to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we anticipate the SPY to open lower by $2.31, starting at $548.33. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.